I do this for a beach house on the north coast in Ochi. Stacking the bricks, cargo. She love the drug, narcos. Doing wells like Fargo.
So what's up, vlog girl? So it's a new day, and right now I'm at Corey's house, and we're working on my car right now. We got a little surprise, but bruh, should I tell him right now, bro? Should I tell him what's going on? Alright, let me show y'all what's going on right here. So we got my 550 right here. You got the 1.T over there. Yo, Corey. Yo.
What's up?
Not much, bro. So right now I'm working on my downpipes. What we did was we took the air box out. That's what those are. That's the intake pipe, the air box. We took them off, and now we're about to take the heat shield off and the O2 sensors out, because the downpipes are right up below there. What I'm going with are the I'll show you, ARM downpipes. Let me take it out. ARM. And let me show y'all what we got right here. So I already opened it because I had to see what I bought and what I got. So that's what it looks like. Some ARM downpipes, boy. Just weld this shit upside down. Am I tripping? They did weld that shit upside down. Yeah, just nice though. We gotta sound test it. Alright. It's about to be singing. It's about to be singing, boy. That should be. I wonder what it sound like if I started with the intake. It probably won't work because the sensors for the intake is off. But yeah, that's what it looks like, man. That's what it looks like. So right now, what we're about to do is we're gonna go to AutoZone. We're about to go to AutoZone because I need to get the socket to take the O2 sensors out. Because if you look right here, we can't get to the O2 sensor in there because we need the socket to take it out. So we're about to go get that right now and then catch y'all when we're on the road. Alright guys, so even though it's unbolted and stuff, I wanted to start it so y'all could hear what it sounded like before. It might misfire or something, I don't know. Well, let me start it. Probably won't even start. Never start just now.
Really?
You hear it? Bro, it started giving me drivetrain malfunction and everything. Do it again. Bro, you have to get that. You have to get that, bro. I can't wait to get my intake. So right now we're about to take the Volvo. Hey, it's a 2.5, I think, turbo. Go ahead. Hell yeah! Cold start. Do it again. You can hear the turbos. It is turbo, isn't it? That's what I'm hearing. Yeah, boy. Let me give y'all a quick walk around. So this is a sport version of this car. You got the big brakes on there. You got the front lip on there. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. So yeah, we're about to go to AutoZone real quick, and yeah, catch y'all when we on the road. So we just got to AutoZone, Advanced Auto, and we about to get the what is it called again? The O2. We about to get this thing to take the O2 sensor out. All right. So yeah, we just got the thing that we need. Holy shit.
Mike Jacks, my money dancing. Yeah, you bad, got the thriller. Heart's cold, wrist frozen. Yeah, you bad, and you know it. Mike Jacks, my money dancing. Yeah, you bad, got the thriller. Heart's cold, wrist frozen. Cause you bad, and you know this. Mike Jacks, my money dancing. Yeah, you bad, got the thriller. Heart's cold, wrist frozen. Cause you bad, look, and you know this. Don't want the good guys are just too nice.
I heard that a lot of people get coronavirus.
Yeah, no, they said,
from touching.
you know, they goddamn, they have cleaning shit for it. Why don't you use it?
Hand sanitizer. I don't see it.
Well, shit, I'll grab it onto that bitch.
It's too late now. I'm gonna wash my hands when I get home, bro.
Yeah. Dude, that shit is scary, bro. Guys, make sure y'all are staying sanitized, man. Make sure y'all are staying clean, because we don't want nobody else to be catching this coronavirus. They said that majority of the people that's catching it is from, well, right now in Nashville, is from the gas pumps, from touching the pumps. So make sure y'all stay clean, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Right now we're about to head back to Corey's house and then put the downpipes and stuff on, so we'll catch you there. Peace. Alright, bro, so y'all can't see me. So, we just got back, and I'm gonna show y'all what we got. Where's it at? I'll be right with you. So it comes with this right here. I wonder I couldn't pull that shit off. There we go, okay. Let me see. They're not bad. So guys, you gotta get the O2 sensor out. What do you call it? High flow and low flow. I don't know. High flow, low flow, don't know. Yep.
Please just come off heat shield.
It will. Yeah, you could just put it right there. You could just pop.
Ones in the back.
Oh yeah.
Screws. I didn't find one small enough.
So we're not gonna tell you bolt size and stuff because we don't know what it is. Whatever fits.
Dude, I can't. This not gonna get.
So we got one back down in there. So alright, basically what y'all need to do if you're gonna do your downpipes and you have a 550i, all the bolts are gonna be literally right there. So this is what it looks like. I don't focus. So this is what it looks like right here. And one of them is on, once you take the airbox and everything off, it's gonna be one right there, and it's gonna be on the sides all the way around. So y'all just gotta have to look for that. I'm here to show you what it sounds like when it puts it on, you know? And we got ARM downpipes, like I said. Alright, so we're about to take that heat shield off, and I'll catch y'all back in a second. Alright, vlog world, so right now, one of the bolts on the firewall, on the heat shield, won't come out because it's stripped or whatever. But we're waiting for the tools to come, and we got a one-on-one real quick. So, I'm about to, Alright, go ahead. He said he's Corey with the shot, so I'm gonna give him that work right real quick. Go ahead. But to give him that work. Vlog world, this is the type of right here that you need to know when you come play basketball with me. Like,
This is what we do to kill time. On a free time when we stuck. Can't go no further. So, here we go.
alright, vlog world, so recorder here. So, let me show this. So, you know, the two bolts that comes after the turbo, that's on the catalytic converter. That record right here. That goes in right here. That you gotta unscrew on the cats. Those same two bolts, there's two more of those same bolts behind here. You see my hand? Hold up the camera, go to me see.
In that valve cover.
What is it?
Valve cover.
Behind the valve cover. So right where the fourth, number 8 cylinder, cylinder 8, right behind that, there's two more bolts like that. You gotta unscrew. So yeah, once you get those two, then your downpipe should be out. Your cats. So the person who split mods, he never recorded this part. I'm the real MVP right here. OG. So y'all go subscribe to my channel and unsubscribe to his. Alright, so what happened was I watched this YouTube video and it didn't show everything on there. Top. Alright, so directly behind the turbo, there's gonna be two bolts right there. Show them. Two bolts. Those same bolts are gonna be behind the valve cover, which is right at the flex pipe. So if you find it right there, if you find this right here, then you can take it out. It's literally right behind the valve cover. So once y'all find this right here, you'll have it free. And then remember that this is down by the what is it? Resonator. There's no damn resonator there. Alright, you know where it connects to the rest of the exhaust? Right here. This was right there. So make sure you have this and this. If you don't find this, you're gonna have hell. Okay? Alright, so
Literally 3 bolts.
yeah.
This is it. This, and this, and they'll come out.
What's up, vlog world? So Najee, what time is it?
Fucking 3 o'clock in the morning.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
10
We're
hours
just
later.
getting done. 10 hours later. We couldn't get the what couldn't we get out? A lot.
It's more than what you think.
So we had to get a rig everything.
Come in front of this second.
Ah,
Son of a shit's got like fucking 30,000 bolts on it.
Hell yeah, we had to get a rig everything. But we finally got done though. I appreciate you guys staying here this late. You know what I'm saying? Alright, now I need to jack it down. I just got the bottom buttoned up and stuff. Alright, so now I gotta
start. What is going on? Give it a.
I cry for y'all.
We
y'all, for you, I'll be fine.
This ain't gonna move if we don't.
What you gonna do? Hey, what you gonna do if you don't start? Go inside
He
a little
gonna
bit.
if you don't start, yeah, I'm just going inside.
I'm going inside with that.
Y'all can do whatever y'all want to do. I'm gone.
If it don't start, you know what I'm gonna do?
Cry?
Man, Najee, take me home. Leaving this shit here.
You staying at Pam's tonight?
Yep. This is the last day. This is a moment of truth. I'm nervous.
True.
I'm a little bit nervous, bro.
Alright. Hey, what if I told you the whole thing was not recording? Nah, it's recording though. Just playing with you.
So, bro, let me see it heavier. I want to make sure it's recording. I got to get the first start. All right. Yep.
It sounds way bit louder. Yes,
It's not loud at all.
You could never hear that.
Yes, you could.
I couldn't.
I like how deep it's like.
Exactly. I
But
couldn't
it's
hear your car start before.
what?
Even if I was outside. Well, I mean you can, but not like that.
I like that it's not like. See, look, it's like back to normal. It's like before. Listen to that.
When you're not driving it, it goes quiet.
No, I'm like, listen. It sounds like it was nothing's done to it. All right, that's it.
Life sweet, I mean I do it. You're blessed when you start making money now you sleep. I'ma pull up now my Jeep with my song to my beat, and I sit me on a Jeep with me off on my feet. Yeah.